Today, we're going to be making American babies. You may know them as burgers. Fun fact, burgers were created by a Danish man in America. I'm not quite sure how a man made of pastries can survive next to a grill, but hey, that's just American ingenuity for you. Also makes you wonder, who was the first guy to milk a cow?
It's a penis.
The sick bastard. Bad transitioning aside, it's time to start the burger. You want to get your beef out and break it up. Make sure you have some hate in your heart while you do it, to add extra flavor. I like to think about world hunger, murderers, and Nickelback. Now it's time to season your hate meat with whatever you prefer. Sadly, I'm out of mesquite steak seasoning. It makes me feel more like a man and less like the little girl that I know deep down I am. Now mix your meat again so the seasoning can travel throughout your meat, and also, please resist the urge to eat it, because obviously... So next we're gonna go ahead and, I'm not really sure. I guess at this moment I just ended up making a patty cake. Woo! Patty cake. Hey, why are you touching the meat like that? Alright, now it's time to make our patties. Now there are many ways you can make patties. You got the hot potato, the airbender, the come here boy. That's a good boy. But I personally like to use Newton's Law. With our patties made, it's time to prepare our buns. Yeah, you like that, don't you? You gotta slap her 2 times because you know she has daddy issues. Just how she like it. Okay, hold on, we gotta treat her nice. It's okay. You're a good girl.
Is this even about food anymore? It never was.
Alright, so we're gonna get our slip sticks ready and cut some thin slices onto a warm pan. When the butter begins to melt, throw your bun right on top of that. Warm toasted buns are always so important to a burger. Men, take notes because you ain't getting those buns without making good buns. Or at least that was the last bit of advice that my mom gave me before my dad threw her out. Where was I? Oh yeah, onions! Okay, now where is it? It's usually out here by now. Damn birds are always so unreliable. Oh, sweet. So I don't really feel like chopping these tearjerkers right now, so I'm just gonna... Please don't let him do it! Please! Please! He's gonna kill me! Now let's go ahead and check our buns. Ah, look at that. Nice and golden brown. And now let's get ready to set our patties on here. Now let's go ahead and set our onions in here. Throw some butter on top of that to saute your onions. And saute is just a French word for I don't know how to say cooking. Now I need some tomato slices to top off my burger. But first I need my problem solver. You see that? Problem solver. Always keep that motherfucking thing on. My burgers must be enraged. They're heating up rather quickly. He must have some serious beef with me. Okay, I'm done. Now it's time to prepare our buns by layering them with America's second favorite condiment, mayonnaise. Now these are some thick burgers, so I'm not going to be shy with the mayonnaise. Gonna also throw some mustard on there to top it off. No, I'm not adding ketchup. We already have tomato. Why would you want double tomato with ketchup? Ketchup is for children who can't eat mac and cheese properly. Now it's time to layer our burger with these sauteed onions, throw some cheese in that sucker, and take it to Pound Town. I mean, just put it on your buns. But if you were to enter Buns in Pound Town on Google, I'm quite sure you will not be seeing this video. America, well, hell, using missiles to settle our beef, yeah.